Hey friends, it's Pam with Paper Clutch, and I wanted to talk about why I think Etsy is the best platform for creatives to get started when they're trying to build an e-commerce site. Yes, I said it. I love Etsy. It's my favorite ever. The reason number one is it's free to start. There is no monthly fee. There's no setup fee to start your online e-commerce site today. The only fee that you have to give is a 20-cent listing fee. 20 cents. You can find 20 cents. You can find 20 cents in the couch. That's all you need to start an Etsy shop is basically 20 cents to list an item on Etsy. Yes, I know Etsy has fees, but guess what, guys? Every e-commerce place that you're gonna sell has fees, even if you don't even use e-commerce and you sell at a consignor booth, or if you rent a booth at a fair, there's a fee. There's always a fee, guys. No matter where you sell, someone is going to be charging you money unless you set up outside in your front yard as a garage sale. There's gonna be a fee associated with selling something. Etsy does take a cut, so they take 5% of your sale, okay? Of your sale. So I could have a listing that doesn't sell for 3 whole months. I'm only out 20 cents. The only time I'm out 5% of my sale is if I make a sale. So if they're making money, I'm making money, right? Also, there's processing fees. Okay, let's talk about that for a second. Anytime someone uses a debit or credit card, there is a fee associated with it. How do you think all of these credit card companies make money? They make money off the fees. So if you are offering your customers credit card usage, the ability to use a credit card, there's gonna be a fee. It's just the way it is. So, hands down, Etsy's great to get started because you are not investing a ton of money into something that might not be successful. You're investing 20 cents. 20 cents. So that, number two, kind of just mentioned that before, when you make money, Etsy makes money, so they want you to do well. Guys, they want you to do well. They want you to sell because the more that you sell, the more they sell. And how does that even work, you say? Well, people come to Etsy to search, okay? It's like a Google in itself. It's like, you know, people are gonna come and they want something like beautiful, like these fancy schmancy earrings. I might go onto Etsy and say, I want some blue, frilly, awesome earrings. And lo and behold, there it is. So you have this entire like search engine that people actually go to search. So you're actually starting out at top rather than being this huge ocean of like all of these online platforms that are on your own and you have to drive everyone to you. Etsy is going to bring people to you using their search. That's number two. Etsy wants you to do well because when you do well, they do well. It's a win-win. Number three, they make things so easy for you. There's a lot of scary things that as a creative, you don't even want to have to think about. Like, let's talk taxes, okay? Sales taxes, they're terrible. They're unfun. Nobody likes to do them. But Etsy takes care of sales tax in other states because now all these states are saying, hey, we want your sales tax. As a small business owner, you know how hard it would be for me to manage shipping all throughout the United States and the world and have to pay sales tax to all these states and a VAT tax? Like, I don't even want to think about it. So I love Etsy because they take care of that. I have to handle the sales tax in my own state, but other than that, they handle all those other things. Also, they make shipping really easy and they give you a discount when you purchase your shipping labels from them. Have advertising, and now they're advertising across all kinds of platforms for you. And a lot of people are up in arms about this, but I'm gonna tell you it is golden because who has the time or the money to figure out how to advertise on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, Bing? Not me. I just sit there and go, I don't even know. So they handle that for you, and you're not paying for the advertising. You're paying when someone purchases your item. So therefore, again, you are making money. You are getting charged a fee. You are making money. That's why you're paying the fees. So those are my 3 reasons. Let me recap. It's free to start. You're out 20 cents for a listing to start an Etsy shop. No monthly fee. Number 2, when they make money, you make money. So they try to offer opportunities for people to come to your shop. And number 3, they make it so easy for you. And so you're not scared by all the crazy tax and all the crazy things that happen in the world that you as a small business owner don't have time to deal with. So Etsy's a great platform for starting out. I'm not saying that Etsy is the only platform that works, because there's many e-commerce websites that work, but Etsy is a safe way to start, to learn, to build your audience, and to try to see if you can make it in this big bad online world. So there you have it, guys.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!
If you rent a booth at a booth or obey